This video is going to take you through the last 2 weeks of this course. So we have finished units 1 through 6, and we are going to start unit 7 next week. In unit 7, we will have 2 weeks to finish that, and it is your essay. So I'm going to take you through that. I'm going to open unit 7 and have you look at that with me. When you open unit 7, you are going to see the content for the pre-writing drafting, which is your rough draft, and then how to revise your final draft. So we will be taking this essay into pieces. We'll be breaking it into pieces. We'll be chunking it. So what we're going to do is we're going to work on the pre-writing assignment first. And all that means is you are going to take your topic, which is the career of your choice from unit 6, and you are going to do a little bit of, just a tiny bit of research on that. And you are going to create a thesis statement, which we will talk through next week, and do a pre-writing assignment or activity. So you will just kind of put thoughts together for that. So that is what we're going to start on Monday. And that is just to get your ideas together for your essay. Now, the essay is only going to be 5 paragraphs, so not a huge project, but enough that you can put your ideas together and make a complete explanatory or informational piece of writing. After we do the pre-writing, we're going to work on the rough draft. And again, it's a rough draft. So when you submit the rough draft, I will look through it. And I will give you feedback as far as, do you need to edit? Do you need to revise it? Once you edit and revise that rough draft, that is when you go into the 7.3 folder and revise your rough draft and upload that into the final draft. The revised rough draft is your final draft. So you don't have to rewrite your entire rough draft. You just fix it, revise it, edit it, and then you upload it here for me to grade as your final draft. So make sure that you read the feedback that is given to you here before you submit your final draft here. So that's what we're going to be working on for the next couple of weeks. And then the very last assignment that you will do will be your final exam, and you will see that starting not this week, but the next week. And that is only 20 questions, things that you have already seen throughout the units, so it's not going to be too intense, but that's the plan for the next 2 weeks. We'll be working through unit 7 and then taking your final exam.